Students, today we are going to discuss about synthetic fibers. We already discussed about what are synthetic fibers and types of synthetic fibers in the previous class. And here I want to talk about the advantages and the disadvantages of this synthetic fiber. Before going into the advantages and disadvantages, I want to give a short form of the synthetic fibers again. So let us go. So it is also known as a man-made fibers because which is made by human beings with the help of chemical processes. So nylon, polyesters, rayon and acrylic are some of it. So fibers are used for making large varieties of household articles, which is mainly different types, not only this materials, different types of household articles, small decorative parts like that. It is also which consist of this fiber materials. So let us go into the advantages. What are the advantages? The good conditions for a long time and after being used a lot, so it is very durable, what we can say. And also it is quick dry, not attacked by moths and moths, and it is easy to wash and easy to dye with attractive colors, and it is available in very lightweight and readily. So it occurs very, the cost is also very less of this synthetic fibers we can get of this materials. So these are some of the advantages of this synthetic fibers. Let us go with the disadvantages of synthetic fibers. So what are the disadvantages? They do not allow air to pass freely through them and hence are not good for summer. So maybe in summer we'll be having the lot of sweat and all. So we may have the rashes on our body because of not allowing the free air and all. And our skin may will get affected with this rashes and all. So little bit of skin diseases may takes place. So they do not absorb sweat as natural fibers. Yes, what we have discussed, as it's not allowing the free air. So the sweat will be absorbed and lot of itchings and all will be produced and all. And also bacteria formation will takes place more. They get damaged by high temperatures when ironed. Yes, as it is synthetic made of chemicals, when we applied some certain heat, the clothes may get fired sometimes maybe, or it can burn very easily with higher temperatures. So they catch fire more easily than the cotton or wool. Yes, we've already discussed about this iron and all. It may takes place. So they melt and stick to the body of the person wearing. Yes, it is not advisable to wear the synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen. Yes, actually, when we are in cooking or when we are working at some places, when near to the fires like that, it's better to prevent all these synthetic clothes. So these are the few points about the advantages and disadvantages of the synthetic fibers. Thank you.